This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking in the essentials: stamina, angle, and gear. Make sure your boxer has at least 70% stamina and a short rest before the sequence. That preserves power. Position yourself offline at about a 45 degrees angle so you can lure a jab or wide hook. Choose gloves that boost knockdown values or one tier heavier for extra impact. Once done, you're ready to trigger the first forced exchange where the knockdown window opens. Now you execute the setup. Bait one jab by briefly stepping in and holding block, then feint to draw a committed counter. When the opponent commits, plant a body hook to lower their guard. This shifts their balance. Immediately follow with a straight power shot aimed to the chin. You want the second hit during their recovery frame. Watch for the visual flash or slowed input. That's the knockdown window. Repeat the rhythm until you consistently trigger the stagger. Finish the sequence by cueing an uppercut as soon as the stagger animation begins. This converts a stagger into a clear knockdown. If you miss, do not rush. Reset distance, recover stamina, and shorten the combo tempo by a fraction so timing lines up. Make sure latency or input lag isn't shifting frames. Reduce controller sensitivity if needed. Once you analyze a slow motion replay and lock the recovery frame, your success rate will jump and the method becomes reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.